Hey guys, what's up? It's time to do a speed test comparison between the Tecno POVA versus the Realme C15. And guys, and the Realme C15 gave you a Snapdragon 460 chipset, while the Tecno gave you a MediaTek Helio G80 processor with the 6 GB of RAM. So now let's see that how much is the difference between these two devices when it comes of apps opening speed. So now let's start off with the boot up test on both these two devices. So here we go, and that is, you can see the logo, it is here a little bit more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme, and both phones is running on Android 10, Realme UI 1.0 as compared to High OS on the Tecno POVA. And as you can see that, and the Tecno is a little bit more faster when it comes to booting up as compared to the Realme C17, as compared to the Realme, as compared to the Realme 5, as compared to the now the Realme, it is also done. And guys, you can see that, and both phones give you very similar display. Both phones give you 720p IPS LCD display, but I would say that display quality it is much better on the Realme as compared to the Tecno. So now let's see apps opening speed. Everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. Now let's start off with the phone dialer, that is more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme. So next on the list is the settings on both phones. Here we go, more faster on the Tecno POVA again as compared to the Realme C15. Amazon shopping, more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme. Let's see scrolling, really smooth on both phones, no difference there. Both phones give you 60Hz refresh rate display. Spotify, faster on the Tecno POVA again as compared to the Realme. Now let's check out some games application, and first on the list is the Candy Crush Saga. We have a Snapdragon 460 as compared to MediaTek Helio G80. More faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme. Now let's see Temper and 2. And that is more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme. And guys, you can see that, and the Realme it is right behind, and the Tecno it is faster, and now the Realme it is also done. So now let's see Subway Surfer, and looks like, and the Realme it is more faster this time, but you can see that, and the Tecno it is more faster. You can see it is more faster than the Realme C15. Now let's see Pin Out, faster on the Tecno opening up the Twitter, more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme C15. So last I'm launching the cameras on both phones. Default camera app, here we go, more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme C15. Now let's see internet browsing speed. I am using default Google Chrome on both phones. Now let's see apple.com. More faster on the Realme this time as compared to the Tecno. Now let's see scrolling, and feels really smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. So guys, now let's see RAM management on both phones, and we have a 6 GB of RAM on the Tecno. So now let's start off with the phone dialer. It is not refreshed. Now let's see Amazon shopping, it is not refreshed, and you can see guys, and the Tecno it is automatically remove apps in the background. So now let's see settings, no refresh. Spotify, Amazon shopping, that got refresh on the Realme, but it is not. Spotify, refresh. Candy Crush Saga, refresh. Temper and 2, refresh again. Subway Surfer, let's see Pin Out. Last we are back to the internet browsers, and now let's see the Twitter, that is not refresh on the Realme. Now let's see the Twitter, no refresh. So last we are back to the internet browser where we left, and you can see that is also refresh on the Realme. So guys, overall I have to say regarding the apps opening speed is more faster on the Tecno POVA as compared to the Realme. And guys, also in the RAM management area, and the Tecno it is much better than the Realme. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this speed test comparison between these two devices. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter as well, link in the description box, and I will catch you in my next video. Peace out.